Travelers' creepy Airbnb experience shocks America. Twitter has been shocked by a traveler's disturbing Airbnb discovery. As we emerge from this epidemic age, it gives more gasoline to the idea that hotels are ripe for a comeback, which was making the rounds earlier this week. What have you found, exactly? As reported by @Britid66 on Twitter, she spotted 2 hidden cameras after 2 days of her Airbnb stay. Housekeeping, room service, new towels, and superior service are all included in a hotel stay. There are no cleaning fees or unexpected visitors. There was also an allegation made by another Twitter user, Miley Moore, that she had discovered cameras in her Airbnb and that the host had gone through her garbage and written a review about it. There was still more to be said. Another commenter speculated that a similar discovery may be made in a hotel room as well. Others argued that Airbnb was not at blame and claimed that they had received reimbursements for similar disturbing discoveries. Another person shared a useful trick for determining whether or not your room is equipped with hidden cameras. You may use your phone to find cameras, they stated. Turn off all of the lights in the room and use your phone's camera to scan the area with as little light as possible. Cameras appear on the phone's display as little lights. This isn't the first time Airbnb horror tales have been shared online. Reddit user, Eerie House I discovered on Airbnb a while ago, shared a highly creepy-looking room to the oddly terrifying community a few years ago with the caption, England's North. Amazing for couples or families, I recall reading in the description. Another poster in the What's Your Spooky Airbnb Story thread wrote, my fiancé and I were visiting relatives in Helsinki and were staying at an Airbnb. As soon as we arrived and settled in, we discussed what we wished the apartment had, including the lack of more towel hooks in the bathroom. There are hosts who complain about creepy visitors, on the other hand. In spite of the rarity of such eerie discoveries, it goes to illustrate that booking an Airbnb over a hotel comes with a larger possibility of encountering an odd or spooky host that you may not want to accept.